On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Cold and Share post to story in less than 1 minute. So, if you have any problem with the post to story, this video is going to help you a lot. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, scroll, go to the wireless and networks option. Enable the airplane mode like this, and then disable it again. Now go back, go to the apps manager page. Now on this page, all what you have to do is click on the apps. Right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram. Click here on force stop and then go down to the data usage option. Scroll down, enable all those options and enable them again. Now, last thing you want to do is click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache. And that's it, guys. If the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then you may check to update your Instagram on Google Play. Don't forget to like, subscribe.